Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox some Seraphon Kroxigors. This is the back of the box. So we've got some Warspawned and some normal Kroxigors over here. Let's open for the package. And then let's have a look inside. Always a nightmare to open. And inside we've got a little booklet where we can see how to assemble the Kroxigors. Some different options for them. And in the back we've got some options for weapon choices and so on. And we've got we've got 3 sprues. This is the first one. And the second one. And the third. And we've got some big bases for the 3 models inside. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.